Well, today is a very important day in the Midwest. It's the first day of back to school for Edward Life Science. Today I officially opened their new plant in the Shannon Free Zone. The medtech sector is very important for Ireland, and particularly important for the Midwest, where you have a cluster of medtech industries. This company, as you know, announced there that they were locating here in the Midwest, in Shannon and Limerick, last March. And today is the first day of operations here, and I'm delighted to be here with the senior management team, both from Irvine, California, and from the new Shannon plant as well.
It feels fantastic to be finally open today. This is something we've been working for quite some time. It's been a number of years in the making, but here we are on our first day, and I couldn't be happier with the team that we've assembled so far. Yeah, so we have 60 jobs planned for the year. We're actively interviewing for many different roles. We have our first 10 we've already hired. We've got another 9 that have accepted positions. So we're moving kind of in leaps and bounds here. Variety of different levels of positions, from engineers to help us procure materials, to people help us assemble our products. We've really got kind of the full gamut of positions available.
So what brings them here? Well, the talent is extremely important in the area, and I know that the Edward Life Science want to work very closely with the LIT and with the University of Limerick. There is a pool of talent in this region, and I can see great things happening for this company here in the Midwest.
Shannon's a fantastic place for the plant. Number one, the most important piece of locating a plant in Shannon is the availability of talent here in the Midwest. There's a lot of exceptionally gifted people here in the area that we hope to draw into our organization. It doesn't hurt, of course, that we're right next to the airport, so it makes it really easy to get our products over to the patients that need it. And then lastly, we're really quite pleased with the high-spec design on the outside of the facility that helps us match what we want to be doing on the inside.
We're a high-tech company. We spend 16% of our sales in research and development. So engineering talent is very important to us. The local talent here is extremely attractive. It's complemented by a wonderful university system that seems to bring out graduates that have co-op experience already and courses that are very targeted towards our industry. Probably the only constraint in our company growing is availability of talent, and I think many companies face that. So this area is extremely attractive with the universities and the talent base that already exists. Well, right now the first 11 people are engineering type people, plant engineering, manufacturing engineering, quality engineering. We've hired a number of technicians, and we're starting to hire manufacturing operators. So we will hire a full span across the job spectrum, from people that will assemble our products to people who will test and inspect it, warehousing staff, materials, purchasing planners, and then a whole array of engineers and of course managers. We would hope no later than 2020 to have our new factory built and have it full with 600 people. As I said, we expect over the life of our strategic plan, which is 7 years, to double our sales. So we urgently need manufacturing capacity. So we're going as fast as is physically possible to hire, bring the facilities up and do the investments. We committed to an $80 million investment here, and we expect to spend that money and bring our site on as soon as possible. So when you saw the clean room, we're just moving our benches in. We're in the process of qualifying it. There's a couple of steps to qualifying the room. You have to qualify the air and controls with an empty room, then with benches, and then with people. So next week we'll have 50 people standing in that room as we do that qualification, and once all that's true, we'll start to move in the equipment and begin manufacturing. So probably in the next 2 months we'll be making products inside in this room.